Hello, I'm Michael Moore, Senior Product Manager for Open Architecture Systems, and we're located at our Research and Development Center here in our product showroom in Georgetown, Texas. Today we'll be talking about the CUBE-iT wall mount cabinet. The CUBE-iT wall mount cabinet comes with a single locking system, allowing you to open the front door and then utilize the integrated locking system that actually unlocks the chassis from the rear panel. The CUBE-iT wall mount cabinet comes with several integrated features that makes it very nice for installation. Starting with the rear panel. The chassis itself is removable from the rear panel, making it easier for installation. It does allow for this rear panel to be mounted over a cable that's already coming out of the wall. On top of that, there are integrated options here for conduit knockouts, allowing for various diameters of cable knockout. Included with that as well is the provisioning of the integrated bonding feature that bonds the rear panel to the chassis and the door, and as well the cable lances that are located in several location points throughout the rear panel, allowing for cable management. The rear panel has also been provisioned to allow for other accessories like our UPS bracket, which supports the various UPSs that we have available. The newly designed hinges are heavy duty, encompassed with the lead-in features for the top and bottom of the chassis. The CUBE-iT wall mount cabinet has a load rating of 300 pounds and is UL 2416 listed, allowing you to support multiple different type of devices inside this enclosure. The CUBE-iT wall mount cabinet is designed to support equipment horizontally, and with that we also have integrated thermal features, allowing fans to be installed in the upper left and right, and also lower left and right side panels of the CUBE-iT. We offer two different fan kits, one that's a standard fan kit and also a low decibel fan kit as well. The CUBE-iT wall mount cabinet is built for efficiency, security, and adaptability. For more information, visit chatsworth.com.